Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I did a quick unboxing on Instagram Live just yesterday. I'm not sure when this video will go up, but I said I would do one for YouTube. So that is what I'm doing, a little bit more in depth. So what I had gotten, if you didn't see the Instagram story, was a package from Clear Jelly Stamper and a package from Maniology. Maniology used to be called Bundle Monster, which I preferred. I'm not sure why they rebranded, but I did prefer Bundle Monster over Maniology, just my little 2 cents. What I had got from them was this monthly subscription box, and I saw a post on Instagram, and the polishes is what really intrigued me to this box. The stamping polishes looked really cool. So what this is, you can sign up to get it monthly for, I believe it is around $29. If you get it, like, if you go ahead and pay for a 3-month subscription, you get a discount, and you can go ahead and do a 6-month subscription as well, I believe, also for a discounted price. So the more that you buy up front, the cheaper it is. So what they offer is exclusive polishes and plates for that month, and I don't believe you're supposed to be able to buy these after the fact. I believe it is that one time only. So I just did the 1 month because, like I said, I was really intrigued by the colors of the stamping polishes. So these have already been torn into because I did it on Instagram, but this is pretty much how it came packaged. I tried to put it back together as best I can. So what it comes with is 2 stamping plates and 2 polishes. It also comes with a stamper. And then they threw in a cuticle oil. I believe you get like a little bonus gift. I think it's different each time. This time was a cuticle oil. So I'm really curious to open this up and smell it. So I'm going to do that real quick because it says it's like orange scented. Sweet orange cuticle oil. And it's a really nice size. It's a 10 ml. It smells really good. It's not super strong orange, but it's got like that orange peel kind of smell to it. It smells pretty good. We'll rub some of that in. I really like that. I'll probably just use this on myself personally because it does have a little brush, and I prefer using a one of these. My brain is not working today. To just like drip on for my clients so we prevent contaminating the oil with any debris or cross-contamination and whatnot. Okay, so here is how the stamper came packaged. It's a stamper and scraper. I think I just threw a scraper in the box though. And it's inside this little protective cylinder, which is kind of neat. And then inside a little bag here. So it is a very small square stamper. Bundle Monster stampers are not bad. They're pretty decent. They came out with one, I believe, called the Monocle. I think that was them, which was really good. And I will forever be calling them Bundle Monster. I'm so sorry. I know it's Maniology now, but I'm so used to calling them Bundle Monster. So the stamper is pretty firm, and it's not at all sticky. It does have an open bottom here, straight through, and a lid for it. So there's that. I'm just going to unbox everything and then I'll do some swatches for you. Maybe not today, but I'll try to put it in the same video because I do have a client coming in, so I don't know how far along I'm going to get. So these are the 2 colors that came with this month's box, and this is a bit more copper in real life, and it's coming off pretty gold on camera, but it looks more like a copper penny to me. It's called Spiced Orange. And it's very, very pretty and metallic. I like it a lot. This one here is called Merlot, and it looks kind of brown, but it does have like a deep wine undertone to it. It looks pretty brown on camera though. So those are the 2 that came, and this one is the one that really caught my attention. Very pretty. And there is a little booklet in here that kind of gives you some helpful hints on how to scrape and pick up with your stamper and just do stamping in general. So that is in the box. Somewhere in here is my scraper. I'm not sure where, but it's around here somewhere. It came with these 2 cards here. This one is a little thank you card saying that you're in the monthly club, blah, blah, blah. They're also doing reward points too, so however much you spend, you get like reward points if you sign up for that. And go home, stamping polish, you're drunk. The air is getting chilly, but will keep you warm and cozy. Your Manny and Me box comes with 2 beautiful, intoxicating early access stamping polishes in Spiced Orange and Merlot. So this is a little card that tells you about the box. Move aside, turkeys. Fall is officially here, and we're ready to help your manicures glow up with our abstract autumn theme. So that, I guess, is the theme of this box. Crisp modern leaves and edgy geometric patterns bring a new twist to this traditional autumn season. And finally, our surprise gift will keep your nails protected and moisturized from November's brisk winds. Nourish dry cuticles and nail beds with our vitamin-enriched sweet orange cuticle oil blend. Just brush on and massage into cuticles for strong, healthy nails. So this tells you what's in the box. Very cute little card there. I like the go home stamping polish, you're drunk. That's really funny. So there's that. Let me see if I can find my scraper real quick, and then I'm going to open up these. Oh, there it is. There it is. Tiny, tiny little scraper. It is thin, flexible scraper. I do like that, and I dropped it. Okay, so it's a tiny scraper. It's got their little logo on there, and it is very flexible, very thin. Good scraper. I like these kinds of scrapers. I like the thinner ones. It is kind of small though. I prefer like a full size, like credit card size scraper, but it will work. So let's open up the stamping plates and get a better look at those, because I didn't pull them out of their sleeves when I was doing the Instagram video, because I only had one hand and I was holding my phone with the other, so it was kind of hard to film. So Bundle Monster always did come with their backing. On the plates it was usually white. These are green or a tealish color, very pretty, and it's got, again, their logo, Maniology. I swear guys, I'll get used to that eventually. And it's got their plates labeled down here. Used to be BM dash whatever. Now it is Maniology M003. And this one is Maniology M034. So the first one here, if I can get this glare off, let me try to get the glare for you. Okay, turned off my flash. That helps a little bit. So the first one here is very different from any kind of fall plate I've seen before, but is very pretty. So the second plate here, again, another fall abstract kind of look to them. I kind of like this one here. That one's kind of neat. Not really my cup of tea. I probably, if I was just shopping around on the website and saw these plates, wouldn't purchase them myself, but you know, there's nothing wrong with them. They're nice. Again, like I said, maybe my clients will really like them. Not my thing personally, but that's okay. And I want to show you another thing that I picked up from them. Another set of polishes here. I needed a white, so I went ahead and bought their white. So this one is called Bam White. Just Bam White. Hopefully that's very pigmented. The last white that I had from them a long time ago, I'm talking like probably 4 or so years ago, not extremely pigmented but worked well. And then I picked up this orange one called Pumpkinhead, and it's just a pretty pumpkin orange. I really needed this a few weeks ago, but went ahead and got it anyways. Yeah, so there is that. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm going to do the unboxing of the clear jelly stamper stuff that I got. That way this video isn't too long. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!
if you see your side. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you. Crazy